study, scientists say adults over the age of 30 get the flu just twice every 10 years. It's a different story for our kids, though. Children can get the flu on average once every other year. So what's really keeping you home? According to the study, you most likely have a virus that has a very similar symptom set to the flu. In sickness and in health, that doesn't mean the same thing for everyone. Husbands are more likely to dump their wives if they're sick, while women tend to stay by their husband's side. This comes from the Journal of Health and Social Behavior. It found that when women get sick, that chance of divorce goes up by 6%. But when a man becomes ill, the journal reports no impact whatsoever on divorce.